In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal email address. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can update your email quickly and confidently. This is especially useful if you've switched to a new email provider, no longer have access to your old inbox, or you just want to keep your PayPal notifications organized. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard. This is the main summary page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different features. Take a second to make sure you're on your actual account dashboard and not on a login or help page. Next, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your account settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will open your main settings area where you can manage personal details, security options, and of course your email addresses. Once you're in the settings page, you'll find a section dedicated to your emails. Here you should see the email address or addresses that are currently linked to your PayPal account. One of them will usually be marked as your primary email. This is the one PayPal uses for important notifications and the one people might use to send you money. Take a moment to check that the email shown is the one you want to update or replace. If you're changing to a completely different email, make sure you already have access to that new inbox, because PayPal will send a confirmation message there. Now, in this email section, you have two options. If you want to change an existing email, click on the edit option next to that email. If instead you want to add a new email address to your account, look for the add option and click that. If you choose to add a new email, PayPal will ask you to type in the new address and then confirm it by clicking a link they send to that inbox. After it's confirmed, you can come back to the same area and make the new email your primary one, if you like. If you're editing an existing one, simply follow the prompts on screen and remember to save your changes when you're done. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your PayPal account up to date and make sure